everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing a playroom declutter, organize, and decorate with me. Very long awaited. I've needed to do this since we moved in. We've moved in like almost 2 months ago and we haven't done much. I did a little bit up there and and put some stuff so we could like use it a little bit, but I still have boxes of toys. I want to put toys in storage. I like to do more Montessori toy rotation stuff with Towns. He gets sick of his toys for sure, and he's got a lot of toys, so it's easier to like rotate them in and out and he can play with all of them. But I do need to get rid of some toys. I need to organize them. We have these nice built-ins in our house, and I have like a whole built-in where I'm going to store like most of his extra toys. So I need to work on that. I need to decorate the room. I have lots of decorations. We want to put a swing in there, and we want to change it up a little bit. So yeah, this is going to be a really exciting, fun video. So I hope you like it. Please like this video and subscribe, and let's get into it. So it is later at night now. I'm going to go upstairs and start cleaning up Towns' playroom a little bit. First thing I have to do is just clean up all the toys that he's been playing with, and I'm gonna just kind of put them in piles, and I'm gonna take all the toys out of the boxes and put them in organized piles of the toys together all over the room. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go through and decide which ones I want to get rid of, and then I'm going to organize them into the cabinet that I have as storage and figure out if there's anything else, what I need to do with it, and then I'm gonna try to decide how to decorate and how to organize the toys. So if I talk up there, the sound machine is on because he's sleeping, so don't mind that. That's in the background a little, but most of this is going to be time lapses of me cleaning. So it is about 9:30 p.m. right now, and I wanted to do this earlier, but Talons really likes me to cuddle with him to go to sleep. Alex tried, and then he was almost asleep, and then he woke up and he wanted me, so yeah, that's how mom life goes. I am gonna start doing this for a little while tonight, and then I'll continue tomorrow. Also, don't mind the lighting up there. It might not be super great. We have a certain weird type of light bulb in his ceiling, and we need to get it switched to like a normal one, but we haven't done that yet, so the light is more dim than I would like it to be, but it should work. It'll be light enough at least. So this is what we're working with. It's actually not even as bad as I thought it would be. I thought there was going to be like the entire floor was going to be covered, but it's really not. Maybe just like, I don't know, half the floor maybe. But there's just a lot of little like things that have like a bunch of different pieces, you know, which is a lot of it. But he definitely has more toys than he definitely needs, but a lot of the toys are like learning toys, and then a lot of the toys he's had for a long time, so like as his like mental state grows, you know, like he can learn more and do more. Like we buy like learning toys as he ages. So, and he just has a lot of people that love him and want to give him gifts and stuff all the time, including me. Yeah, so like that's okay, but I just gotta be a little bit better about going through it and stuff. But before, we were staying at my mom's house and I had his stuff in just all different places and I couldn't see everything. So that's a big part of this too. I definitely already started a box right here behind me that has some stuff in it to donate or sell or whatever, and I'm gonna try to go through some more and see what I can do. I pulled aside a few things that were like baby things that I just am saving just because, just in case we have another baby, or just for now I'm keeping it, but like in the future we'll reevaluate when we get that far. But yeah, so I did group some of the things. Like I put music stuff here, I put some like stacking type of stuff here, put some like car stuff here, I put some like baby things here, all the books. We definitely have a plethora of books. This is not all the books we even have. We have some in Towns' room, we have some downstairs. I like to buy books, but also when we did our baby shower, we did the thing where everybody brought a book instead of a card, so we got a lot of books from that. And then people just buy him books over time too. So we have a lot of books, so I will need to go through that for sure. We've got like learning toys, a lot, just stuff like that. We've got like wooden toys, a barn, we've got some stacking things like that. We've got puzzles, just like random stuff. Yeah, we've got stuffed animals, we've got some balls. So yeah, I think my next step is I'm going to declutter some of this. I think I'm gonna do a little bit tonight and then I'm gonna keep going tomorrow night. I'm gonna just do like a once over, and then tomorrow I can decide if I wanna get rid of more stuff. Maybe Alex can help me too. I do have some stuff here, but I also am trying to keep Towns' mind in check, because he actually is super good at letting go of things. He doesn't care what he keeps. He's just like throw it in a box, like he doesn't care. So I obviously want to keep stuff that's good for his learning and stuff that he likes and plays with a lot, but he definitely doesn't need all of this. So yeah, let's see what we can get rid of. Okay, so I did manage to get rid of some more stuff. I got rid of some books and toys. I did go and I organized these a little bit more into like some categories that make sense to me. And then in here I put like seasonal books, so every like season or holiday I'm gonna have to go in there and try to pull out some books that pertain. But yeah, so I'm getting really tired, so I am gonna stop for tonight and I will check back in tomorrow. So it is the next day and I'm here with Alex and we are looking at all of the toys, and we're gonna just go through and see if there's anything else that we want to get rid of. So
oh my god, the ducks are in the get rid of box. Thank the Lord. I do not like that. This is what Towns does with this. Yeah,
it's kind of loud, so I don't know if we should
what he does. He'll be out here, right? Comes in, pushes it, and then releases. And it sits there and squeaks forever.
So it actually normally squeaks louder than
normally
squeaks louder than what it is. It must be dying or something.
And then it sits in there and squeaks until one of us goes and turns it off every time. Sometimes you can talk him into getting it.
Yeah. So I decided that the ducks need to go. They were fun for a while, but that's something that doesn't stay long here. We actually don't have, like, we have some toys that light up or make noise, but most of the toys, like, you don't. So
I like noisy toys that are instruments.
Yeah. Okay, so we finished. There's not too much that we took out. We've got a small box of stuff to get rid of. A lot of the stuff he has, I do go through it every so often, and a lot of the stuff he has is like learning stuff, there's playing stuff, but stuff that I want him to master and to work with. So now I'm gonna start putting it all in the storage shelf, and then I'll figure out what toys to keep in. Okay, so here's what I'm working with. I have all of this, and then I have like 3 drawers down here too. I'm going to try to put things in by section so it's organized, so wish me luck. I'm also trying to keep in account the taller things, so I have room because these are a lot taller than the shelves, obviously. So yeah, but most things aren't super tall, which is good, so. found a stud. playroom makeover video. It has been a journey, a couple weeks in the making. It definitely took longer than I wanted it to take. There's some things that I didn't get to do that I want to, mostly just one thing. Over in the corner on the mural wall that I created, in the corner we were gonna put a swing there, but we had some challenges with finding studs in the ceiling and getting it hung up, so we might still do that, and I'll definitely show that if we do that, but we're just trying to figure that out. So in the meantime, we just put his little trampoline over there and just did some stuff, but overall I think it turned out amazing. Like, it looks so good in here. It's so bright and pretty. There's colors but still like neutral and a little bohemian, which is like, I like that. And I just think it turned out so cute, and Towns has already been playing in here a ton and he loves it, so I'm so happy with it, and we can actually see everything and use everything. And then over in the closet cabinet we have like all the extra toys, and then downstairs there's a few extra big toys that we'll just swap in and out like every week or so. But yeah, it turned out so great, and I hope you liked watching this. I definitely have some more makeover videos that I want to do because I've got more rooms in my house that I want to do, so I will film those in the future and show you. Yeah, but thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot. And if you want to leave a comment of what you think about it, or if you want to see something else, or literally just saying hi or anything, that would be great. So yeah, I will see you in our next video. Bye.